Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Quantum Rapid Strike QHM9800 USB keyboard. Now, on the front side of the packaging, you have what appeals to the gamer, very red and black colored gamerish aesthetic. You can see the keyboard and what it looks like. They seem to have mechanical switches, and it's also certified by BIS. On the front, you've got the Quantum branding. Same goes on all the other sides. But on the top surface, you can see QR codes for all of their social handles as well as YouTube channel, URLs for their website and service support section. Then we've got some certifications being listed. On the underside, you can see the specifications as well as some key features. So it is using mechanical keys. You've got RGB LEDs with many lighting combinations. It uses a USB interface, and you get a rupee key on the mechanical keyboard. It's coming on the tilt key. You've got a key to change the colors, that is the backlight colors, and because this uses mechanical switches, you get extra long life. Aside from that, you've got the manufacturer's contact information and address. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. On the inside, you've got little appeal that asks you to give them a rating if you do like their product. The only thing inside the packaging is the keyboard. It's very much a full-sized keyboard, so you can see you've got the entire 104 or 105 keys. This thing has LED backlighting with multiple color combinations. They are using mechanical switches, as you can see. These are blue in color, and the switch being used does not have any labeling right on the top surface, but it does mention YH. So that must be an indicator of which company is being used. Aside from that, it's mostly dark in color. It's got an open chassis. As you can see, it's slightly easier to clean once you just pull out all the keycaps. On the underside, you've got feet that can be elevated. There's no rubber feet over here, but you do get rubber feet on the bottom. As for the cable, it's got a soft rubber sheath, and it uses a normal USB type A interface. That's not gold plated. Cable length is a bit over 1.5 meters. That's what we can say for certain. And that's also quite enough for most use cases. So that's it for the unboxing of the Quantum Rapid Strike QHM9800 USB keyboard, which is a mechanical USB keyboard, by the way. Thank you for watching.